guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a laundry folding party. This video is in collaboration with some amazing women here on YouTube. I will link all their channel links down in the description box. Make sure you go over and check out their videos. They are just super sweet and they make awesome content. So we are gonna get this party started. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare my laundry before I start to fold it. And I like to separate my laundry before I start folding anything. And I separate my laundry into 5 categories, one being towels, blankets and sheets, kids' clothes, my clothes, and my husband's clothes. So we are just going to jump right into this party, and I'm going to give you a whole bunch of satisfying time-lapse clips, and I'm also going to show you how I fold, and then we're going to time-lapse and then stop, and then we'll move on to the next thing that's going to be folded. Cool beans? Cool beans. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out and clicking and to watch another video from me. To all my new subscribers and anyone that's tuning in from any of the other ladies' channels, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you tuning in and being here. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube fam bam. And to anyone that's coming over from any of the other ladies' channels, I hope you enjoy my content and you be a part of my YouTube fam bam as well. So I'm just going to jump right into sorting out this laundry. There's no order that I sort the laundry in. I usually just grab a piece of clothing and whoever it belongs to, I put it in the basket that it belongs to. Now you guys, this isn't even half the laundry that I had, okay? It was just like so much. I have my stepdaughters here down with us, and laundry tends to get crazy because I have a lot going on. So laundry gets backed up, it gets crazy, it's just a mess, you guys. And it always seems like I'm folding the children's towels and I just have mountains of towels and sheets and blankets, y'all. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and sort all this stuff out. I hope you grab your baskets and your laundry and you guys fold along with me and these lovely ladies as well. Okay, now that everything is separated, I have the kids' clothes, my clothes, and hubby's clothes, sheets, blankets, towels, and some more kids' clothes. I'm just going to go ahead and start folding. Now, here I'm going to show you how I fold the towels. It's very simple. I just fold one end in, fold it over, and then fold it over 1 and 2 and 3. Moving on to category 2 is blankets and sheets. Oh, we should have had some food or something at this party. I'm hungry. Gonna keep on going. So when I'm folding blankets, I find the 2 ends, put them together, flip the blanket out, fold it over, and then fold it over again. And this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm pretty sure that everyone has folded a blanket like this before. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you go and check out the other ladies' channels. The links are down below in the description box. And I will catch you in my next one. Now it's time to put all of this laundry away. Until next time, dolls. See you later.